Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add size charts in WooCommerce in 2024. So if you're selling clothing or any products where sizing matters, a size chart can help you or can help your customers make some informed decision to reduce returns. So I'll guide you through the process of creating and displaying a size chart on your products page, whether you want a simple size guide or more detailed charts. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section and basically just type wordpress.com and hit the enter button. I'll open my local host as well. And of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can click at the top right corner to log into your account, or get started to create an account in there, or right here. So once you click on it, of course, you'll be able to use the Google, Apple, or even GitHub account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here. Basically, if you didn't find WordPress here WooCommerce in this list panel, you'll need to go and install the plugin first. How to do so? Go basically to your plugins in this list panel, hover plugins, click on add new. Once you do so, you'll find yourself on this page. Here, go to this right option, search plugins, just type WooCommerce, and you should find this right here, as you can see. So you'll find an install button like this one. Instead of that, this activates, click on it, and it will be installing. Once it's installed, of course, or while it's installing, you can go here and read description, installation. Of course, it's required to have a higher, or as example, this version of PHP or higher, and same for this. You can see also an installation, frequently asked questions, change log, what they changed previous versions. Here to see all the things about it, like what they fixed, what they add, what they updated, what they tweak, what they enhance, and etc. And you can see even in screenshots how it's going to look like, the settings of it, basically, once you're creating your store. And even the reviews of other people. So once installed, you'll find your WooCommerce here on this list panel, and you'll be able to start using it, of course. Of course, this is necessary to add your chart size. So to add now your chart size, basically the easy way or the easiest method is to install basically a plugin for it. You can go again to this list panel, plugins, add new. You'll be taken to the same store in here, and you can go again to search plugin and just type or search for WooCommerce size charts. So once you do so, you will find here a lot of apps that can do that for you, as you can see. So this one, the best WordPress table plugin, creates responsive, searchable, sortable table and charts from Excel, example, all of those files. As you can see, it will create basically a data table for you, or even charts. You can make it for size. As an example, this is not specifically for size. You can look for other thing for size specifically if you want to, like this one, product size charts for WooCommerce. This is good, as you can see. So WooCommerce size chart, let's customize and design charts for specific products or categories, enhancing customer convenience, of course, and boosting sales. This one also an example, the essential plugin for you to install Elementor, packed with 100 plus stunning elements like data table, event calendar, and probably charts will be included since it's appearing here. So you basically have to look for the one that suits your need. As example, maybe this one's example. So product size charts plugin for WooCommerce, add product size charts with default templates, or custom size charts to any of your WooCommerce products. So maybe choose this one, choose this one. Of course, you can choose this depend on the rating of other people, how many active installation are there, if it's compatible with you as example, and etc. So choose the one that suits your need, click on install. Once it's installed, of course, you'll need to activate it. So if you click on install on anything, as example, once installed, you'll find an activate button. Just go and click on that activate and you will be able to start using it. You can simply just go and start using it, as example. So once you click on activate, for me, it will not work, I guess. Yeah, because I don't have like WooCommerce yet. Not like I don't have it. I don't have it activated because it's incompatible with my version, because this is an old version of WordPress. For you, of course, you can do the same on your WordPress. So it's the same like here in my local host. It's very the same. And yeah, of course, like other popular products plugins other than this product size chart, like plugin for WooCommerce. So normally this is the one. I guess there's even one by WooCommerce, if I'm not mistaken. So you can just go and copy this exact name and type it in here. If I'm not mistaken, you will find like one by WooCommerce. Maybe this is an old version, that's why of WordPress, that's why I'll not find this. But If I'm not mistaken, I guess I'm sure there's one by WooCommerce. You'll find here by WooCommerce. But of course, you can even use this one. Other than that, of course, there is the other plugin called Heath, I guess, products uh, size like charts for WooCommerce as example. There is this one as well. So I'm not sure where is it. Yeah, but anyway, if you type this name, just type just Heath products example size charts, and you'll probably find it the same. So this one also does the same, and you can also like look for size charts for WooCommerce plugin by the public Republic or plugin Republic. So as we said, just install it and activate it, and you should be good to go. Of course, after that, you'll need to go and configure the plugin. Like after activation, you'll need to navigate to the plugin settings. Usually, you'll find like the chart size options. Of course, you can go, you will find it basically here. If you go to WooCommerce, just hover it or click on it, you'll find the settings. Just go and click on the settings. Once you click on those settings, of course, you'll find like size charts, and you can start using it from there. Of course, depending on whatever you've used. So let me just go here. I'll just type that as an example. So depending as example, maybe I will use this one. So let's just appear in here. So yeah, product side charts plugin for WooCommerce. I don't know why it's taking some time, so I'll just go and refresh the page. Anyway, depending on, yeah, this one is example. Depending on whatever you use, you'll find a different like how to install it and how to add it. Of course, you can find that in the screenshot. So depending on whatever you use, just go to the screenshots and you'll be able to use it. So, and you can start assigning size charts to specific products of that you have, of course, on your WooCommerce. You can also customize the display of it if you want to, and you should be good to go. The other like hard way, if you want to add like the size chart without a plugin, but this will take like a lot of steps. I'll just tell you how to do it, and you can go and do your own research. So you'll need to go and create size charts. You can use a table tool like Google Sheets or something like that. Add the size chart to products description as example, and customize it with CSS, and you'll be able to do it. You can customize the charts and product tabs and do some steps, but it's actually very not hard, but annoying to do, not like the easy way of using a plugin. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.